From a clothesline to a slang, you don't want to be that guy, to a new song, Beenie Man making a wave since the Versus series. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. We're about now to premiere a Beenie Man song based on the Versus series of this slang. You don't want to be that guy. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Coming up next on Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is the place where you get local and international entertainment right on the point. The name Beenie Man and Bounty Killer are two of the most dominant names within our dancehall music and has so far cemented their names in history. Based on the Versus series, they have garnered more success based on the new development that has come since that production. We saw more than 500,000 people tuning in to see the two local stars face off with each other. Now we have a clothesline coming from Beenie Man. We have a new song and we have a slang that is international right now. You don't want to be that guy. And Beenie Man has so far released a song, You Don't Want to Be That Guy. He has so far put out a clothesline as well, which has garnered the fanfare of many right across the world. The Versus Collection is the name of that, and it states, relive your favorite moment from the Beenie Man and Bounty Killer versus Clash. And these now are available. These shirts come in different style and different patterns are on the front of them. They even include one with the protruding belly of the dancehall entertainer. So right now we're about to premiere Beenie Man new song, You Don't Want to Be That Guy, right here on Links 007 TV. This is just the premiere version of the song. The song is available on all social media platforms right now and all streaming platforms for purchase. So right now we're about to premiere this song exclusively right here on Links 007 TV. Let's go over to that right now. This is a massive one coming from the dancehall entertainer Beenie Man. Let's go over to that.
After Versus invite us, Beenie Man and Bounty Killer to the DJ from Jamaica for run the competition, yeah. Rip up the internet record like how bold up the world like
Scoop, scoop, scoop.
call it officer but what? Right here in
Front of your eyes.
here come these two police guys. Them intention never that wise. So me ask who you wanna
Be that guy. Wow, there you have it, the track coming from Beenie Man. Do you want to be that guy? I'm telling you, Beenie Man is a very versatile artist, and this song just goes to show the versatility and the creativity of this local and premier dancehall entertainer. He's one of our top and high level figures within our dancehall music, and even though many of the upcoming local stars don't show the respect that is due to Beenie Man and Bounty Killer, when we look on the careers and where they're coming from within this music space, it just goes to show you the dominant that they create and the way in which they cemented their name within the history. I feel like dropping this song one more time on you. This is gonna be a massive one. You can just tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this song? Because do you wanna be that guy? Do you wanna be that guy? Wanna be that guy? Trust me, trust me, trust me. Wonderful song coming out from Beenie Man. I'm telling you, do you want to be that guy? That slang has garnered so much fanfare right across social media. And if many of you did not watch the Versus series and how that slang came about, was that during the middle of the Versus series, Beenie Man allegedly or should I not say allegedly, because it did happen, right? So a police officer came on set of the Versus series, which was being streamed live to 500,000 people worldwide. And Beenie Man was basically stating to that police, you don't want to be that guy that will shut off this party that is being watched by millions right across the world. And at the time that this event was live, it was being streamed by 500,000 people worldwide on one social media platform. This did not include Facebook, this did not include YouTube. I'm talking about Instagram. 500,000 people right there, right then at that moment, watching when a police officer turned up. And Beenie Man said, you don't want to be that guy. Trust me, officer, you didn't want to be that guy, to turn that off. So that is where this stand came from, and it has garnered so much recognition. And Beenie Man is the man behind that right here, right now on Links 007 TV. I'm telling you, it's just so ironic how that song has garnered so much fanfare and so much publicity since it had been created. Even many tried to portray back the whole entire scenario that Beenie Man played out on set, and it was just so much drama going on since then. But since the success of this Versus series, Beenie Man and Bounty Killer have seen an increase in music sale and have seen their name being propelled right across international media right now. Their music sale have been boosted and their career is seen to be on an upward trend based on the new development. So we just ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. This is the Links 007 TV, taking you once more out from the song with Beenie Man. This one is a massive hit, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, this song is a very good song, very creative. Links TV, we're out for Celebrity Scoop for today. Stay tuned for more to come on the program. Bless.